and welcome. I'm going to be making muffins with quinoa flour. It's new to me. It might be horrible. The last recipe I tried with that flour was absolutely disgusting. So I'm going to be doing that. So I'm going to be zesting a lemon and using some of the lemon juice. I'm going to zest some lemon, and then I will be combining the sugar with the lemon, and then I'll be using half of the lemon in the recipe. And all my servings. I have the baby in the background. Put that back, please. Put that back, please. Thank you. Once you have combined your lemon zest and sugar, you'll put half of quinoa flour into this bowl, and then I'll be mixing the wet into this. So I'm just mixing 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I added half a teaspoon of cinnamon into my flour mixture. I'm just combining that with the sugar. I cut half of lemon and put it in my wet. I'm just going to combine this. And then I'll be adding it into my mixing bowl. I really hope these turn out good because I kind of am wanting blueberry muffins. And this recipe seemed interesting, so I kind of just pulled ideas from it because I actually didn't like the recipe itself. That should be the consistency, and it should look blue. If you want to use a mixture of berries, that's fine. Strawberries, I'm pretty sure that tastes very well with lemon. I just prefer blueberry, and so does everybody in this household. So I'm just lining up some cupcake trays. These cupcake trays, so these cupcake cups, they're baking cups. I got them off Amazon for like, I want to say $7. And I've had them for a while. There's 150 cups in there, which is awesome because your generic one you get from the dollar store, I think you'll get what, 40? And here in Canada, the dollar store is no longer the dollar store. I don't think there is a single item besides maybe a chocolate bar for $1. I know anytime I buy anything I need, it's a minimum $1.75. So we use the Dollar Tree. So it's a smidge cheaper than Dollarama. Oh, I got my salt. Let's do salt. Just combined it a little. And I preset the oven to 400. And I'm going to bake until golden, since I did make some changes on this recipe. I don't think it's going to work with the regular time that it had. I will just see how it goes, and I will leave everything below what I did, and I'll add in the things I removed if I feel like it would make a difference. Don't know why I'm using that. That is what it should look like after. A little messy. I'm not here for perfection, just deliciousness. I'm gonna say about 15 minutes with my oven. But I'm just most likely 15 minutes for golden brown. What's my love? Yeah. We're making muffins, so we can have yummy, yummy, yummy muffins. Yummy, yummy. So I will be setting a timer for 15 minutes. See how they look. If they need to be cooked a little longer, it'll be linked, not linked. It'll be mentioned below, or when I taste them. Hopefully tonight, if my child lets me. She's a little... Do I really want to know how they taste? And see if I'm going to be throwing it out or reusing this recipe? Snow! Yay! Only in Canada where you'll get sun and the next day you get snow! Daughter loves snow. It's different. Is it amazing? Not really. I should have made potatoes. I feel like this would be really good. That's okay. Yeah, those are not good. No good. Thank you for joining me on this 7-fail journey. It's not horrible. Definitely have better. I might do some more tweaks, maybe use different flour, and then I will repost. Because I really do like blueberries and lemons together. Again, thank you for watching, like, comment, all the YouTube things, and thank you for joining me in this interesting recipe. If you try it out and maybe find something that makes it a little bit better, comment. Thank you. Bye.